Mr. Sarthak, question number 7. How should I do the question?
So the number equals x. So 25 upon 1000 into x equals 2 upon 10. So x equals 2 upon 10 divided by 25 upon 1000. So x equals 8.
Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
How should I do the question?
So this is 2. So first we have to take x. So 2 1 upon 2% into x is equal to 0.2, but we converted into fraction, so it is 2 upon 10. Then we have to do 5 upon 200 into x, which is equal to 2 upon 10. So x is equal to 2 upon 10 into 200 upon 5. So then we have to cut, and the answer is 8. So the answer is 8.
So the answer is
So
not
but
8. Yeah, Satya. Yeah.
I didn't understand this. How did it become 5 upon 200?
Beta, this is 2.5%.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us try to understand this. See, this is 2.5%. Now 2.5% would be equal to 5 upon 2%. Satya, do we agree?
Yeah, sir.
Now, whenever you see a percent a percent is basically 1 upon 100. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So that is why this would be equal to 5 upon 200. Now is it okay?
Okay, understood. Yes.
So the question is 2.5%. 2.5% of x is a 0.2. Have you understood the question now?
Yeah, sir.
So 5 upon 2, 100 would be equal to 2 by 10. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you have to solve for x. You can solve for x multiplying both sides by 200 by 50. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you solve for, so this is 40, 40 upon 5 is 8. So what will be the answer?
So 8. Yeah.
Mr. Satya, 8 won't be the answer because let us look at the question closely. See, what he is asking is, what will be 120% of it? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So basically, you'll have to take 8 and you want 120% of 8. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So usually in questions like these, one of the options that they give is 8. They haven't given it here, but usually one of the option is 8. So what usually students do is they see 8 and they take this to be 8. But what we need to understand is that the 8 is not the final answer. You want 120% of 8. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt.
So here I am calculating 120% of 8. So 12 8 the 96. This and this will get cancelled. So this would be 9.6. Satya, any doubt still?
No doubt, sir.
Satya, you'll have to repeat these questions. Would you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.